in the Gemara Masechet Shabbat in Masechet BeEzrat, it mentions that a person is not supposed to give a gift to his friend without letting him know ahead of time. He has to let him know before. And this is based on when Hashem, before he gave the Shabbat to Israel, he let them know before. And we also see that Hashem, before he gives a person, sometimes he kind of lets him know through a dream. Let's say if the person dreams about a snake and the person gets money or something like that. I don't want to get too much into it, but why does Hashem does this? Like, why does he let the person know before, like ahead of time, that he's going to give him a gift? Is this because he doesn't want the person to do anything stupid and ruin it or something like that?
No, tell the truth, I was expecting that you would ask why one person have to warn another person, like not one to let know. I think that's a better question. So if maybe I want to surprise somebody, right? So why shouldn't tell him? Well, maybe I think it's a good gift for him or for her. And that's the problem. So some people buy gifts for other people, and they're expensive gifts, without consulting. So, and that person does not need that, right? So another person, so specific person, my mother. So whatever we bought for her, like most of the things she returned. Even she said yes, but she's a simple person. She does not need things. Okay, you understand? So so trying to be very, very careful, because sometimes it's friend here. Why would you spend money like on me, because I would not use it anyway. You understand? So if you want to give somebody a gift, make sure that somebody is in need of this gift. So maybe you say that I want to give you a gift, and the person said what, and you say I want to give you this and that. Person said, look, I have 3 of those, right? So but since it's very nice of you, did you buy it? You say no. Okay, so where's my budget? So you say $75. Okay, so for $75, can you see if you can fit in this budget this and that? It would be beneficial. So for you, you did not even think that this person needs, I don't know, new shorts or t-shirts, let's say, but that person needs, once I always dreamed about the high quality t-shirt. I'm just making up example. You understand? So that's why you have to ask, like sometimes these gifts are the burdens. So a person does not know, like somebody give you waste, like huge waste. Okay, maybe he spent a lot of money, but I have no use for it. So I have to move from one apartment to another, have to pay people money or bringing, I don't know, in a car, like rapid, this and that. So I don't need these gifts. Understand? That's a proper to ask person about the gift. But Hashem, does he warn a person? It's actually opposite. Usually people ask whatever they need, and they demand, and whatever. And if Hashem decide to give, so he's going to give. Is it? Do they have old people get warning because of something that they're going to get? I never heard of it. Like maybe some people, but exceptional. But it's no guarantee. So usually Hashem knows, like our bizarres between me and my friend. So I don't know. Like I think that I know what he needs, but I only guess. But that person, Hashem for sure knows what person wants, because he can read in a person's heart, and plus he knows what is good for us. Right. So even maybe it's a bitter medicine, but it's good for us. So whatever is it.
Thank you, Rabbi.
Okay.